Harbor, Houston. No need to respond. I know you're eating lunch right now, but whenever you're down and it's a good time, give us a call back. We have some entry-related weather and APU issues, just to give you a heads up on nothing that critical.
All right, go ahead, Houston, we're listening.
Okay, Steve, first thing is the late inspection results. They've been looking at the data, and after finishing the review for the port starboard wing and the nose cap, they did not see anything new, so they all look pretty good. For weather, KSC, it's nothing very different than the quick story I gave you earlier. The clouds shouldn't be an issue tomorrow. However, there's still a chance of showers for the first rev, and a little higher chance probably for the second rev. There's a front that's extended off into the Atlantic, and depending on how it moves tonight, it may be close enough to cause some showers in the area, so we'll be looking real close at that. Edwards, though, is looking real good for both tomorrow and Tuesday.